Okay, some more new stuff from, what have we got here? Special Hobby. This is their variant of the SA Machetta SF260 AE. It seems like every time that one of the Eastern Bloc countries come up with a kit, everybody else does one as well, or they're all sort of playing around. This is quite a nice kit as well. It's KP, I think, has done the other version, so if you're looking for another variant or you prefer using Special Hobbies plastics or whatever, that's a new one that's just come in. From RS Models. RS Models have been known for doing their odd-bod aircraft and 1946 sort of stuff. Luftwaffe 1946. This is two new ones, same aircraft, just different variants. One's the night fighter and the other one is the day bomber. Yeah, jet bomber, long range, and this is the night fighter, I believe. The kits are very, very good. RS model, so you know what to expect if you've ever built some of these before. If you're chasing some new Luftwaffe 46 stuff, this has never been done in kit form. I've seen it in resin, but not in plastic. These are quite nice. The review I did see of one of them has been quite good, but you do need some modelling skills. They're not like a Tamagawa kit or Airfix kit or anything like that. So, but they're very, very nice. So if you're chasing that type of thing, so they're pretty cool. What else have we got? This is from AZ. Now this is there's a bunch of stuff from AZ, but I'll show you some important ones. This is an all-new Tool Bell X2. They call it the Starduster. There's two versions of this. There's the X2 and the X2A or something or other it is. If you're into the X-planes and the space type stuff and things like that, this is quite a nice kit. If you've got the Bell X1, it's a great little companion to go with it. Good kit, goes well. Choices of markings are white, white, white or white. And it's just different serial numbers and things at different times. They had different markings on them at different times as well. I think there are only about 3 or 4 built, so you get a choice of markings there. The other one's the X2A, I think it is, and it's got some other markings on it as well. So if you're interested in that sort of series of stuff, there you go, there's a new one of that. Also from AZ, they also have gone into ME109s and they're doing E models as well. These are the E4s, and they've done E4s, E7s, E3s and things like that. This is over the channel, Aces over the channel version. So again, nice kit if you're looking for an upscale or upgraded 109E to do. A little bit more effort required than the old little Airfix one, but hey, it's a nice kit, goes well. Choices of markings on the back as usual. Probably the 3 main contenders that you'd expect to see. So nice choices. So there's that one. Now, this is the Spanish versions of the 109 with the Merlin engine, which is the Bouchon, the HA1112M. These are nice little kits actually. If you want to do sort of the 109 end of the line family type of thing, this is quite good with the Merlin engine mounted on it. Of course, it was this type of aircraft that was used in the movie The Battle of Britain. I wouldn't be surprised if they come out with a version of that so that you can do that model. On the back, your choices of schemes, all the usual standard Spanish Air Force schemes. Quite nice, grey and blue, basically. So there you go. So there's that one. From KP, I showed you a couple of these the other day, but this is the Mark 5C. It has got the correct wing. Interesting that they've put theirs out with Airfix's one, which is so nice. This is okay. Yeah, I'd probably, if I was building them, I'd probably still build it just for the fact that it's the KP one. But the Airfix one is quite nice. But if you prefer something like this one, it's quite good. This is the four barrels over Malta, so this is quite good. There's the schemes on the back. So there you go, quite a choice. Interesting. So there's that one. Now this is KP's version of the Avia S199. So this is the ME109 late models with the Gemmo engine. These were eventually sold to Israel, I believe. This is the one with wing guns, so it's in the Czech colour scheme. Usual story with them. You've got 3 different choices of markings. They're all Czech Republic aircraft, so they look all pretty cool. So different schemes there, and of course, what do you know? There you go. There's the Avia S19 Seiken. This is the Israeli version of the same one I just did. This is again quite nice. They're nice kits. They get well. KP's gone together in leaps and bounds over the last couple of years. So if you're worried that they're like their old kits, don't. These are all new tool, and these are all quite nice. On the back, you've got a choice of the 3, probably the three of the most famous of the Israeli aircraft. Although they haven't done the black one, which is interesting. So there you go. So there's that. So that's it for the moment. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. See you then. Bye.